Good morning. This is a 10-minute yoga practice to open up the waves of the spine, which means that you will feel revitalized yet relaxed to begin your day in an enjoyable, free-flowing way. Really important, please, is to have a cushion, which we're going to use to help us really cultivate the inner core strength so that the upper body can open, the neck can lengthen and release tension so that we feel fluid and focused for our day. So we're going to begin by coming onto our knees. And it's important to place the mat out the night before. I always have my mat ready for me so that all I need to do is have my morning lemon tea and get onto the mat and press play. Spread the hands wide like stars, ground the knees and the toes down into the earth. Roll the shoulders back away from the ears. Inhale, lift the heart. As you exhale, stick the tongue out and open the mouth wide. Arching like a cat. And we repeat, you can soften and open the elbows to open the upper arms round and back. So you're wrapping them into the ribs, which draws the shoulder blades backwards and down the spine, giving more space for the neck to lengthen. Take an inhale. Exhale, stick the tongue out. Chin in, navel to spine, and repeat, inhaling. So it becomes like a wave. Opening the heart. Now from the hands, start to push forward, root forward as you exhale back towards the heels. Open the elbows, inhale, lift the heart. Inhaling. Exhale vertically. So as you exhale, you're arching up towards the ceiling. Sit back towards the heels. Inhale, open the heart. Now as you exhale, release the hands in front and the heart and the forehead forward. And softly rock the forehead from side to side. Massaging the mind. Breathing into the back body. Navel to spine as you exhale. Now coming all the way back up, place the left hand down under the heart. Inhale, the right arm rises. Exhale, the right arm all the way back. Inhaling, exhaling. Keep the elbows soft so that we're opening up the scapula, the whole of the shoulder girdle. The neck is long. And turn the right hand in. Inhale the left arm forwards. Send the right leg back. Tuck the right toes under. Reach from the fingertips to the heels. So we're elongating and opening. Take an inhale. Exhale, release. Rotate the right wrist. And right hand grounds down. Inhale the left arm up. Open back and round. Allow the whole of the side body to open here. Moving the body on the breath. Allowing the spine to flex and open. The neck remaining long. Turn the left hand in. Float the right arm up. The right thumb is looking towards the ceiling. The left leg extends back. Send the left heel back. Engage the left thigh. Now draw the tailbone under. Lengthen the neck by drawing the chin in. Reach from the fingertips to the heel. And release. Right hand back underneath. Take the left hand into the form of a fist to release any tension. Now we spread the hands, roll the shoulders back and inhale the hips forwards. As we exhale, drop the chin inwards, look back. Take your cushion, place it between the thighs and sit back. We're going to squeeze this cushion between the legs as we roll the hips forward and roll the shoulder blades back. So watch my shoulders, they're not up towards the ears, they're rolled back. So look back, can you roll the shoulders back, roll the upper arms back, squeeze the inner thighs together, feel this holding your lower pelvis, lower torso into a stable base. Inhale. Now exhale from the hands, chin in towards the chest, navel to spine, tuck the toes under, forehead to the earth. And again, inhaling, drawing the hips forward, roll the shoulders back, elbows in by the sides. As you exhale, begin by dropping the chin in, navel to spine, tuck the toes under, sit back. And again, inhale. Roll the hips forward. We're using the hands as we're grounding down to rise up with the heart, with the gaze. Exhale, chin to chest, navel to spine, tuck the toes under, spread the hands wide. Inhale, look to the thumbs. Exhale, lift the tailbone, heels to the earth, downward dog. Inhale, up onto the tiptoes. Exhale, bend the knees towards the earth. Root from the hands as we inhale up and exhale the heels back. Release the head yes, release the head no. Remembering that the neck is part of the spine. The head is the top of the spine. So release the head here. Inhale up to tiptoes. Exhale, knees to the chest. Inhale, rise the tailbone to the sky. Exhale, engage the thighs, send the heels towards the earth. Final time, inhale onto tiptoes, exhale knees to chest. Inhale, rise, exhale heels to earth. Good, now inhale the hips forward into plank. Good, release the knees, lift the toes, roll the shoulders back, drop the head back, squeeze the cushion between the thighs for 1. And we can start to make this a little bit dynamic for 2. For 3, release the toes, spread the toes. Good, now as you spread the toes, squeeze the cushion up until you can feel the thighs engage. Roll over the tiptoes, send the heels back. Release the cushion. Root back through the hands. Lovely. Now come onto the ball of the left foot. Inhale, float the right leg up. Bend the left knee, bend the right knee into the heart. Step forward, release the left knee. Release the left toes. Root from the left toes to the right heel. Inhale, rise the arms up. Exhale. Inhale, squeeze the left knee to the right heel. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now release your hands to your hips. We're opening up the psoas muscle here. So place the left hand on the front of the left thigh. The psoas muscles wrap from the base of the spine round and underneath the thighs, and they enable us to have a long, strong back. They also draw us in. So when we're waking up in the morning, just as we're doing now, opening the psoas as you inhale the right leg up, frees up a phenomenal amount of energy. Exhale the right foot down. Now let's walk out the dog. When we walk out the dog, we keep the toes in connection with the earth. And we bend one knee and we drop the other heel. On the breath, inhale up. Exhale, bend the right knee. Inhale up onto tiptoes. Exhale, bend the left knee. Inhale onto the right tiptoes, float the left leg up. Exhale, bend the right knee, bend the left knee, step through, release the right toes. So here, we ground through the right toes. The right knee is drawing towards the left heel, so it's creating this root to rise sense of stability. So we're opening the psoas and we're bringing in fresh energy for your day. And exhale, the hands down. Inhale, tuck the toes under. Exhale, float the leg up. Inhale, shake the left leg out. Exhale the toes and release the heels. Inhale onto tiptoes, look forward, float forward into plank. Release the knees, roll the shoulders back, release the toes. Exhale, chin to chest, navel to spine. Widen the knees, sit back on the heels. And simply rock with the forehead on the earth from side to side. And as you're doing so, just let the shoulders become soft and invite a sense of letting go. so that you can be energized and also relaxed as you slowly walk your hands up towards your heart. I'm just turning to face you, but please stay as you are. And we sit deep onto the heels. These are acupressure points where the buttocks meet the backs of the thighs, the hamstrings, which also activate us energetically. Inhaling up. And this energy we've just created, we exhale to centralize, to draw the energy back in so that your cup can feel full and your spine fluid, nourished and awakened for a positive day ahead. Namaste.